Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from photos, prices, product codes, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, so firstly, let us discuss this new collection that will be launching August 29th. First, we have the mini bomb bag. Price of this one is 1,800 euro or 2,300 USD. We have SKU here. Material is empreinte leather. Colorway is granite red. Cowhide leather trims. It comes with fabric interior and it comes with detachable leather strap. Beautiful bomb bag, don't you think? Next on the collection, how gorgeous is this speedy bandolier size 20? So the price is 2,200 euro or 2,770 USD. Same material, which is the empreinte leather with the same beautiful colorway of granite red. It comes with cowhide leather trims, fabric interior, and of course it would come with detachable leather chain strap, and it comes with gold hardware as well. Next on the collection, so we have the Never Full size MM. Price is 2,200 euro or 2,940 USD. Material is empreinte leather. Color is granite red with cowhide leather trims. Fabric interior, of course, it would come with detachable leather pochette, which is so cute, and it also features the gold hardware. Next on the empreinte collection, we have the very spacious Boulogne PM. So of course, this is such a very beautiful bag, priced at 2,450 euro or 2,990 USD. So as you can see, it would come with two straps. So we have a shorter strap that is leather and chains. Then we have a longer strap that is good for crossbody type. Next on the collection, so we have the Wallet-on chain Rosie. So price of this one is quite affordable at 1,650 euro or 2,100 USD. So guys, please take note that this is the wallet-on chain. So this is the interior, and the chain strap is adjustable just like with the Chanel or Chanel Le Boy, don't you think? And of course, it comes with the LV logo.
Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys!
Alright, so next on the collection, so we have the Pochette Metis size MM. Price of this one is 2,350 euro or 3,000 USD. We have SKU here. So the return of the Pochette Metis in this very beautiful empreinte leather in the granite red colorway. So classic features, this is the interior, which is very spacious, and of course the love for the back pocket, and it also features detachable strap with gold hardware. Then we have an SLG, so we have the Clemence wallet. Price of this one is 600 euro or 840 USD. We have SKU here. Same materials and same colorway of granite red. So this is the interior. Once you open the Clemence wallet, it's like a long zip wallet that features many card slots inside, and of course it features this very beautiful gold hardware. So next on the collection, a new design bag, guys. So you may want to check this out. So first we have the Evermore size MM. Price of this one is 2,650 euro. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. The main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather chips. It comes with fabric interior, and the most beautiful part of this bag, as you can see, it comes with a detachable larger pochette, so you could carry it on her own as well. Of course, it would come in the PM size, and then the price of this one is 2550 euro or 3200 USD. We have SKU here, same material, but the only difference of this one, as I could see, the MM comes with the treated cowhide leather, and this one comes with the untreated vachetta leather, as we could see, but it also comes with the detachable pochette, as we could see here. So which do you prefer more? Would it be the MM or would it be the PM size? Next on the collection, we have the Pochette Metis East West. Price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,250 USD. So I have discussed mostly on our previous vlog this Empruente leather colorway in the color smoke, so you may want to check them out. So how beautiful is this Pochette Metis? It's the elongated version, and of course comes with the same feature. Then we have another one, all-in-one size MM. Price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,350 USD. Material is Empruente leather in the color noir or black. Very spacious, a good alternative for the never full MM, of course. So as you can see, you could shape this bag depending on how you would close the clasp. Next, guys, what does this bag remind you of? So we have the all-around MM. So price is 3,000 euro or 3,750 USD. Material is, take note, the Tyrolean perforated leather with cowhide leather trims. The color is galley, fabric interior, and then of course it would come with detachable leather strap and bag tag as well. Comment below, guys. I would want to hear and comments about that bag. Next, we have the Carry All Vibe size MM. Price is 3,300 euro or 4,050 USD. Very beautiful sheepskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Then of course it would come with detachable monogram pochette, and guys, the strap is also made with monogram canvas. So next on the collection, so this is the continuation from our last week's vlog. So we have the eyeshadow pouch. Price of this one is 460 euro. We have SKU here. So main materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with 2 brushes, will fit 1 eyeshadow palette and 1 brush. So what do you think of this one, guys?
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @RamirFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!